Nkarhi wo cinca ka swilo tanihileswi ANC yi nga tsandzeka ku kuma 50% eka mphikizano wo hisa swinene wa nhlawulo wa timasipala. Emadorobeni lamakulu tivote ta ANC ti ehle swinene. Kambe ejoni vandla ra Action SA ri tirhe kahle laha ri nga kuma 44 wa switulu laha a ri nghenela nhlawulo ro sungula.
At the moment, we've got official representation in 3 provinces: Gauteng with John Moody, Makhosikhoza in KZN, and Feki Mento in Western Cape. So I need to fill 6 provincial chairpersons on a full-time basis, and I want to achieve that commitment by end of March next year at the latest.
Richeche rin'wana eka tipolitiki Patriotic Alliance na yona yi humelerile eka timasipala to tala. Murhangeri wa yona Gayton Mackenzie anga kombi ku tisola mayelana ni tipolitiki ta yena.
We take over at 9 o'clock, 9:30. All these illegal foreigners, all of them, they're going home. From Sunnyside, Yeovil thing, they're going home. You must show your papers. I want to see Helen's passport.
I've got my South African ID here if he wants to see my South African ID.
You see? Yeah, that's what we're asking for.
No,
Helen can show her ID.
Kambe eka man'wana ya mavandla ya khale ya tipolitiki a ku nga ri rendzo ro olova.
This campaign was run quite peculiarly because it was all of these political parties. They were running with their national leaders from province to province. At some point, I wasn't sure whether
the national election.
I wasn't sure whether Mr. Ramaphosa, the president, is not a mayoral candidate for one of the cities of the country because he was everywhere.
Na varhangeri van'wana va yima hi marito ya likota ya leswaku a ku ri pfhumba ro tika ro gangisa ti-vote.
No, the campaign was quite good. You can see we are all gelling. There's no challenge.
It was tough.
Yeah, it was too. It was a very short campaigning period.
But very tough.
Yeah, hectic.
Phikizano lowu landzelaka I wa ku va mavandla ya tipolitiki ma ta ni tindlela leti ma nga ta vumba mfumo wa nhlengelo ha kona eka kolomu ka 60 wa timasipala leti ku nga hava vandla leri nga ti wina.